Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add or remove a card on Starbucks app, right? So let's get over to Starbucks mobile application here. Once we're here, if you're already logged in, then the interface will show it here. If you are not logged in, then of course you have to enter your email address, your phone number. And here to add a card, you will get two options. In the bottom, you will see option of pay, right? So first of all, click on the pay, and here you will get this option of this is a Starbucks card, right? So if I just click on Starbucks card, is basically you can just get a card only for Starbucks, and you can buy products or whatever coffee from the Starbucks, right? So you have to first of all load money into the Starbucks card, and you can just use the Starbucks card forever, right? So I will just click on load card here. I will enter the amount. Once I enter the amount, for example, let's say I will just add 500, right? And I will just click on reload card, right? And after that, once I click on reload card, it will give me the payment option. I can add this, I can just add 500 rupees, or if you're using a friend in the US, right, so you can just add whatever dollars you want, and you can just use a debit or credit card. So if I just click on debit and credit card, I will enter my credit or debit card number, expiry, and CVV, and just click on proceed to pay, and it will automatically deduct from your bank account to directly into the Starbucks card, right? And once 500 comes here, I can use this money to buy coffee or beverages from the Starbucks, right? And if you have a different card, then on the top right, you will see this plus icon. Here it will give you two option. Already have a once again, or just we will just go back for a minute, right? So if I just click on plus icon, it will give me option of already have a Starbucks card, right? If you have already, then it's good, because right now I just have only one card, which is this one. Let me show you once again, right? So and this card, right? And if you want to buy another card, then you can just buy a new digital card. And once you buy this card, you have to do the same thing. You have to add money from your bank account to this card, and you can use this, right? And another option to view this, just go to home. On the top right, you will see this profile icon. Just click over there. Once you're here, you have to just go to the Starbucks pay, and you will land into this same page whatever I have explained you earlier, right? By the way, if you have added any other another payment modes, which you will able to do it from here, but it will show you in the other payment modes, right? So in this way, all the safeguards will be shown here. I hope everything is clear. If not, then you can rewatch this video. So this is it, guys. I hope you find this video very useful. Subscribe and like this video.